right, have you been looking for a family-friendly 4-bedroom home? This might be the one for you. Here we are at 19 Center Drive, cul-de-sac right there. So we've got a low traffic location, and yet it's conveniently located to Ledyard Center, which gets you to be able to go north or south. Get to 95 quick enough and shoot up to Route 32 and 2A over to 395 North. As you can see here, classic colonial. Got a garage under configuration. The garage actually has been used really for storage, the seller tells me. Beautiful deck. And how is this for a backyard? Really, no homes in sight to speak of. Maybe just a glimpse of a house through the woods right there this time of year. Shed for your lawn equipment. The septic is in the front, so we have pool potential. We'll take you through this house quickly. This home was built in 1963. It's got oil-fired baseboard hot water. We also have septic and well in this particular location. Nice yard. The house has a total of 1,700 square feet. Maintenance-free vinyl siding. Most of the windows are thermal pane windows. A couple do have a little bit of seal failure. Local contractor can fix that for you though. But the layout is your main living area with a half bath serving the first floor, and then you've got the 4 bedrooms up. Let's get you through this home. One of the first things that caught my eye was the fireplace right here in the living room, and hardwood throughout this house. So one thing you're not going to have to worry about is disposal of old carpet from a prior owner. I love how the sun comes into this family or living area, as I call it here on the plan. Your view of the backyard right there. The door right here will do that last. That happens to be my basement, which is unfinished, and it does give you the capacity to do a little bit of additional living area if you would like. So this is the view that you have in this backyard. Okay, we just saw that. We do have a formal dining on this first floor, or you could say a combination dining breakfast area right here. Stackable washer dryer they convey, so the house is turnkey. Here's my dining room right here. I'm at the left rear corner of the home. There's my deck right there. Kitchen, very efficient. Wider, so it's not really a galley kitchen. This is not stone, even though it looks like it is. This is nice, durable laminate. Like the corner cabinet right there. All the appliances convey. Dishwasher's right there. Nice little hall closet. Powder room serving the first floor. Again, that's the basement. We'll do that last. Working my way upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms, 2 to the right and 2 to the left in full bath dead center. Primary bedroom, as we call it now, reach-in closet right here. Lovely hardwood floor. This is my view into the front yard. Definitely can do your own painting and come up with your own color scheme. Bedroom number 2, right rear. Reach-in closet, some built-ins right there. Here's an example of one of the windows that had seal failure. About $150 to get that replaced, between $150 and $200. Gonna work my way to the left rear. This is bedroom number 3. Reach-in closet right there. Another one I think has seal failure. Again, you've got that nice linen closet right there. And here's the smallest bedroom. You don't need 4 bedrooms. How's this for an office? all hardwood, allergy friendly. Full bath right here. One of the things I like about the full bath, natural light right above the double vanity. Very workable tub shower right there. So let's get you to the last spot, which we haven't shown you yet, and that is the lower level, unfinished. Right here, coat closet. Coming down here, got oil tank right here, workbench, well equipment right here. These cellars have not used the acid neutralizer or the softener. This is a new pressure tank and control for the well. And here was really a storage area. That's how the cellar has used it. There is no garage door opener. You could put one in. You could use this as the garage. If you do, you should put up some fire-rated sheetrock. This was really just storage area. Driveway wasn't really conducive to getting in and out easily. And the last section in the basement right here is my mechanicals area. Oil-fired boiler. This has been maintained. It is a little older, but it is in operating condition. My main service right here, the breaker panel, is a 200 amp service. The cellar did wire for a future generator, but it is not connected into the panel yet. There's an outlet. Never had right here. Here's my feed that would go to the outside. So that is what we have here at 19 Center Drive. I would get your showings scheduled ASAP with 4 bedrooms on a cul-de-sac in a low traffic location, move-in ready. This is a great house. Thank you.